This is Juliet Holt. This morning I am going to put a chicken breast in my slow cooker hot pot. Uh, it's frozen, so it'll have time to. I'm going to pour some of this seasoning over it. I'm going to put some onion powder over it. And I'm going to put some salt over it. So I'm going to have it barbecued. I'm just gonna put a little bit of water in here. All right, when it gets done, I'll bring you back. Well, I just got the chicken out of the slow cooker, and I am sitting here eating it, and I put some more of my barbecue sauce on it after I got it out of the cooker. But if you like my videos, just like, share, and subscribe, and hit that little bell when you want to be notified when I got another video coming out. Thank you. Merry Christmas, everybody.